3, 2, 1. We started to record now. Whatever we say, maybe I should say, whatever we say or whatever we do on our desktop will be recorded. So these are some of the programs that we will cover, uh, that we cover actually during this course. And maybe you should start. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain, or I'm going to introduce you to some programs that will be very useful to learn when you teach students or when you create digital materials. So you can introduce each of these one by one. But today, we've got Storyboard, and this is a program that allows us to create picture books, and this is one example created by a student. You've got your scenes here. So this is a PDF book prepared by Storyboard, by the help of Storyboard, professional looking PDF book. The other one is Word Art and Word It Out, and we create pictures like this with Word It Out and Word Art. So you see, you can create wonderful looking images here, and with this one, maybe you will teach nationalities and countries, and you can create speaking activities, writing activities, and reading activities with these, for example. The other one is this one. So you can create comics or cartoons by the help of these tools. And then when you are ready with all of these, you can save them in your Google Drive so that you won't lose them, even if something happens to your computer. And the good thing is that you can always share all your materials in your social media accounts like Facebook or Twitter. And we also have some other programs. Many of them, there are lots of things: Hot Potatoes, Canva, or other Powtoon, where we create animated videos, etc. If you want to create your web blog, you've got WordPress, etc. And so I'm going to thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. So now I'm going to finish recording. How will I finish recording? Well, I can click here and stop my recording, or as it said, we can click F10 button on our